You have probably been using can to say see in Chinese. And while it works, sometimes it sounds awkward or even totally off. Today, I'll teach you four native level ways to say see in Chinese and when not to use can.
彼得，别看电视了，我们走吧。
去哪？
看牙医啊！
现在不疼了，真的。
你是不是装的？待会儿看我怎么收拾你。
Can is your go-to word for see, watch, or look. 他喜欢看棒球赛。She likes watching baseball games. 他在树下看书。He's reading a book under the tree. 彼得到诊所看医生。Peter went to the clinic to see a doctor. 他到医院看朋友。She visited a friend at the hospital. 妈妈看起来很生气。Mom looks very angry. 让我来想想看，今天要煮什么？Let me think what to cook today. Think means to stare intensely, eyes locked, full focus.
你必须盯紧嫌犯，不要让他逃跑了。
我不会让他跑掉的。
警察在盯着我看，我该怎么办好呢？
彼得盯着电脑屏幕很久，不知道在想什么。Peter stared at the computer screen for a long time, do not know what he is thinking. 警察24小时盯着嫌犯，注意他的一举一动。The police kept a close watch on the suspect for 24 hours, paying attention to his every move. 丑 is informal and casual, perfect for a quick sneak peek.
小丽，帮我瞅一下，老师来了没有？干嘛呢？我想把这漫画书看完，老师来就不能看了。好的，我这就去瞅。
帮我瞅一下房里有没有人。Help me take a look if there's anyone in the room.
你瞅啥呢？瞅你长得帅不帅？
他瞅了彼得一眼，就匆匆离开。She glanced at Peter and then left in a hurry. 瞧 means look with a little extra spice, emotion, attitude, and personality.
我今天在百货公司买了个好东西，
什么好东西？让我瞧瞧。
瞧了你也不懂。
别瞧不起我。
你瞧见我的包吗？ Did you see my bag? 你敢这样对我？走着瞧。You dare treat me like this? Just wait and see. 他很高傲，总瞧不起没钱没地位的人。He's very arrogant, always looking down on people who have no money or status. 瞧，他在树上干什么？ Look, what is he doing up in the tree?
老婆，我闪到腰了。
让我瞧瞧。
Wang is used when you're looking into the distance or when you want to express hope, longing, or respect, like visiting someone important or wishing for something deeply.
李太太，你怎么匆忙？到底是要去哪里？
我得赶去儿子的学校。
我从远处望着你，还以为你家里着火了呢。
呸呸呸！大吉利是，不跟你多说了，我得走了，改天再聊。
Wang cannot be used alone, unlike can. You cannot say 你望, but you can say 你看. The first meaning of 望 is to gaze into the distance. 他向远处望去，希望能看到富士山。She looks into the distance, hoping to catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji. Second meaning of 望 is to visit. 玛丽飞到美国看望她的父母。Mary flew to the United States to visit her parents. The third meaning of 望 is reputation or prestige. 李先生是城市里最有名望的人。Mr. Lee is the most reputable person in the city. For the above sentences, you can change 望 to 看 for sentence 1 and 2. Now you know 看 isn't the only way to say see in Chinese. Use 盯 for focus, 瞅 for picking, 瞧 for attitude, and 望 for poetic or respectful moments. Want to sound like a native? Use the right word at the right time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun and powerful Chinese lessons. 再见。